Parts of eastern India are preparing for torrential rain and strong winds as a tropical cyclone warning is in effect for the Andhra Pradesh coast, as other portions of the country battle extreme heat. Severe cyclonic storm Asani is in the Bay of Bengal, with winds of 100 to 110 km per hour, 62 to 68 miles per hour, and higher gusts, making it equivalent to a tropical storm. It should make landfall on India's eastern coast early Wednesday morning, Tuesday evening ET, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center said. Asani is the second storm to impact India this season. The first storm, in March in southern India, was not named. Slow-moving storm could bring catastrophic rain. By Thursday, the storm will most likely begin to curve more north-northeast, riding along the coast and impacting Odisha. Parts of India's coast, near the storm's landfall location, could see as much as 150 millimeters, 6 inches, of rainfall during the next few days. State Disaster Management Authority Director B.R. Ambedkar said gale with a speed of 75 to 95 miles per hour was likely along the Bay of Bengal coast under the impact of Asani.